Hello everyone. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add your microphone to OBS Studio step by step. Let's get started. First, go to the Windows search bar and type Sound Mixer Options, then open it. Under Input Device, make sure your microphone is selected and working. Now, open OBS Studio. In the Sources box, click the plus icon. Choose Audio Input Capture. Give it a name like Microphone and click OK. In the next window, select your microphone from the drop-down list. Click OK. You should now see your mic appear in the audio mixer, and the volume bar should move when you speak. That's it. Your mic is now added to OBS Studio and ready to use. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.